Race to victory. Race to excellence. Race to the top. This is the race of the champions to ace their exams. Join BYJU'S 6th, 7th and 8th for a complete syllabus revision crash course starting this 23rd of January 2023. On this channel, you will find all the resources you would require to ace your annual exams, starting with syllabus revision, complete chapter summary in 20 minutes, maths formula cheat sheets, exam preparation test sheets, chapter and session PDFs, doubt solving, mind maps, subjective and objective questions. And along with this, we will also be giving you some very important exam hacks in just under 1 minute. Additionally, we will also provide you with an exclusive access to the mock tests that were meticulously created by the BYJU'S academic experts, providing your examination preparation an added boost. Find everything that you would require to ace your annual exams right here. So, what are you waiting for? Make sure that you stay subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon to ensure you attend every exam prep session.